to Smee Life. I know it's been quite a while since I have made a video. I've been working on a few things, been working on some videos, trying to get some good content for my subscribers. Anyways, look at this new shirt. Smee Life! Yeah! If you want a t-shirt like this, or a sweater, or something along those lines, go ahead into the description down below, and there's a link to purchase some Smee Life merch. Today, I'm out here in the desert. How to poop in the desert. Well, there's a few trees around, but they're juniper trees. They're kind of short. Some pinyon pine trees around. But you don't have the big, tall ponderosa trees like in my last pooping video. If you want to check out my last pooping video, hit the link down below in the description. When you're out in the desert, there's no tree so you can lean back and squat on. So, what we gotta do is exercise poop. Gotta dig that hole. Say you don't have a shovel. Well, when you're in the desert, it's pretty easy to dig a little hole with your boot. And then you just drop the pants and you just do the exercise pose. Good open poop flow there. And then always remember, dig, dump, and cover it up. And then walk away. Oh, DDWC. Dig, dump, wipe, cover. So I dug, dig, then you dump, then you wipe, and cover it up, and you're done. Also, it's always good to always have hand sanitizer with you. Another way is dig. I call this one the crab walk, except for you're not really walking like a crab. You just get back here, just like so, and then you dump, and then you carefully stand back up, wipe, and cover. Now let's go find us one of these juniper or pinyon pine trees behind us and see what we can do with those. All right, we found a nice tree, and when I'm picking a tree spot in the desert, I always like to be in the shade because it's hot in the desert. There's a lot of branches, low branches in these trees. So it's hard to get to the middle sometimes by the trunk and do the arm behind, crouch, squat. So this one, I like to find a branch from up above. You dig your hole, hold on to that branch above you. It is called the orangutan. Ooh, 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 ooh. And you just squat away, poop. Boom. Now you might be thinking, oh, that looks strenuous. I might not have the arm strength and leg strength to do that. So what you want to do is just go ahead, grab your other arm, grab another branch with your other arm, and then boom, orangutan with two hands. Just do your business, wipe, and cover. And that is called the orangutan. Here's another pooping position, how to poop in the desert. When there's no trees around, but you got sagebrush, dig your hole. Always dig the hole. Grab a good handful of sagebrush. And this is kind of like hold strong little tree, but this one's hold strong little sagebrush. And you just squat, dump, wipe, and cover. Those are just a few of the pooping positions, how to poop in the desert. If you have some other pooping positions, how to poop in the desert, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching this episode of Smee Life, and old Smee will see you on the next video.